A day in life of Vivian's circus and fruits. Today in 360 in my apartment, you can see everything around me. A day in life with my circus. Here is my oldest circus member. If it's not the 360 camera, you would even see her behind me like a little standing still post and a little ghost with the long hair. Just use your finger, flip around. Feel free, walk around my apartment. You can see all the details. And I get on my kitchen counter, get into my refrigerator, and you can see down below my dog walking around. Here, yeah, he start eating. And you can see this little details. Is a hairy arm on his left. It's not his arm, it's my husband. So in 360, you'll be able to see his face. Flip, flip. You can also move the screen to see if my daughter moves a finger yet. Nope, she's still standing there, not moving, just watching. She probably doesn't even know she's in the video. Yeah, she doesn't know the 360. In the VR video, we're gonna experience taking a shower in my teacup and immerse in this fragrant tea. Also soak up some fruit. And I have another spicy beef video. You're gonna jump into my wok. We're gonna flip and stir fry you into a Chinese dish. Or you just wanna eat with me. In the 5 VR videos, you are going to see me cooking for my circus. Yeah, and eating with us. Here, play some tea pets with my circus. You will actually experience like right there when you have headset. Oh, look at that! Yeah, move your head.
This one, splash me.
Splash it. Yeah. Don't touch the hot water. Look at that. Oh yeah. Splash water on the ear. 就你的手. Careful with your finger. Don't touch. What are you doing?
It's on my finger.
Oh, let me see if he has more pee. Oh,
There's bubbles.
bubbles. Do people pee or have bubbles? I don't know.
No.
Okay, I guess the water is all out. Yeah. So please get your headset on, go to Meta TV, watch all my VR videos. Join my circus. Whoa, you really need to get this VR. Watch my VR video in here. Hello, hello. This one is for you. Thanks for watching. Please see my link in description. Go on Meta TV. I see you in VR.